Hey guys, it's Andrew Lugg here again with another video. I'm going to answer a question which we get asked a lot about, can you install WordPress for us on our web space, which is fine, we're happy to do that. But what we're going to show you is how you can do it yourself. It's really straightforward, and all you need to do in this case with Plesk is just log in under your domain name, and you'll see in this case we're using firstdomainstrainingvideos.co.uk because that seems rather apt. Now all we have to do is just go down to where it's got applications, and this will load up all the applications that we sort of allow by default. You can have other applications, no trouble at all there. They just need to be, these are the auto install ones. If you want to install Drupal, you can install Drupal, but it just has to be FTP'd up and follow the install instructions there. So it's all straightforward. Now 99.9% of the time all you need to do is just click on install. Now but the great thing about Plesk, and one of the reasons I love it so much, is because it gives you a lot of options. So if we wanted, if we had an older version of a site, say that you were going to move to us, or you could just select it, the version of WordPress that you require. But as I say, 99.9% of the times it's best just to click straight install, so it installs the latest version, which is now going off onto the repositories on the internet to download. Again, you can install an old version of WordPress, that's fine, and then you can use a great, one of the ones we use is WP all-in-one migration plugin, which is great because it sort of puts everything into a little bag. You then move it across to our server, unzip it, and it's all working. You haven't got to worry about database referencing or anything like that. So what we've got now is it's just downloading. Now it's downloading, it's now going to want to install, which it will do nice and quick. It's nice and whizzy. But if you get stuck along any lines, any part of the install process, just pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll go through it with you. Okay, so that's now pretty much installed, and it will give you this basic screen, and all you have to do is click login, and in here you'll find you have the WordPress dashboard where you can go around and you start installing your themes and your plugins and bits and pieces like that. So it's really straightforward. Log into your Plesk, click on applications, then click install, and it'll do the rest for you. But if you have any questions, contact us via the YouTube channel. I highly recommend that you subscribe if you want down on the bottom of this video, and also click on the notification bell so that any other videos we upload we provide straight away. But as I say, any problems, give us a shout and we're happy to help. Take care. Bye.